Today, we're going to be making unicorn cake, and it's funfetti. I had to pick this at Tops. Before we get started, smash that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. The ingredients you'll need is funfetti cake mix, unicorn sprinkles, and icing, 4 eggs, a whisker, where you spread like the frosting on top. Forgot what the name is. A spoon, or it's also used as a spatula. You're also gonna need 1 cup of oil and 1/4 cup of oil. And then you're gonna need a spray to spray the bottom, and it's cooking spray. And then you're gonna need a mixer. First, we're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now, it's time to make the batter. So first, I'm gonna open this funfetti fun cake mix. I add fun in it because it's fun. Get it? Hey you. It's pink. Oh yeah, it's sugar on it. Need my trusty scissors. Smells like joy. We're gonna put this in. Now we're gonna put 1 cup of oil in the bowl. Water. And now we're gonna put 1/4 cup of oil, not water, in the bowl. Well, it's starting to look like a unicorn. Okay, now we're gonna put 4 eggs into the bowl. Well, that's a lot. Nope. Yolk. That one was a fail. That's 3, you guys. Okay, now we're gonna put 1 more in. Okay, that's 4 eggs. And now I'm gonna wash my hands. Now I'm gonna put it for medium, and if you don't want medium, it's where you put it to number 4. So smells like joy. It's not getting this off. So good. It smells like unicorn kisses. It's been 2 minutes now, and now we're gonna turn it off. Whoa. Smells delicious. Wait, how do I know that? I don't know. Now we're gonna dump it in the pan. Okay, there. I think it's done dripping. I'm gonna take this off. Also, when I'm done. Okay. Whoa. It kind of feels like I'm doing the unicorn dump cake. If you guys remember that video, if you never watched that video, make sure you watch it. It was pretty good. Oh, I dumped everything in there. It's getting closer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Party time. It looks like a normal cake, but with bumps on it. That's the funfetti. So when you cut it open, like, then it's gonna look funfetti. And then we're gonna add this frosting and sprinkles when it cools. Now I'm gonna let it cool. It's all cool now, and now it's time to frost it. So I'm gonna open up my unicorn frosting. It's also funfetti vanilla. Whoa, where's the funfetti? I don't see any. Ah, it smells like the cake. Okay, I'm gonna spoon it out and then use this to spread out. Whoa. This is a big piece. Whoa. Looks like fluff. Whoa. Ooh. Now we're gonna spread it all down. Whoa, oh, there's still some. Wow, this looks so like a unicorn. Oh, I'm gonna faint. Oh, save me. Now it's my favorite part. It's called taste testing. So, I'm not gonna taste test it alone, so who should I call on? Luca! Luca!
Yeah.
You wanna try some cake?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you a piece. Okay, Luca.
Serafina, our cake tastes good.
Thanks. Okay. Now it's my turn. Tastes amazing. Luca, how much percent is it?
About 99. The sprinkles are kind of hard.
Why are they hard?
They're just kind of hard to chew.
Well, I think for the percent, I'm gonna give it 100 out of 100. No, actually 1,000 out of 100. Whoa, it's like my dream cake that's like a unicorn.
It tastes good, Serafina.
Thanks. I think it tastes amazingly good. Oh guys, remember, smash that thumb up and subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my unicorn baking community. Bye.